Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find or recover your Hotmail ID password if you forgot it using both the web and app. If you've ever been locked out of your account, this guide will get you back in safely without falling for phishing scams. Let's dive in. First, start by heading to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. This is the safest place to enter your credentials and ensures you're not at risk from fake websites. If you remember your password, simply enter it and sign in. But if you've forgotten it, don't worry. You have a few options. One quick method is to check your saved credentials. Most modern browsers and password managers store your login info. On your browser, go to Settings, Passwords, and look for any saved Hotmail or Outlook credentials. If you find it there, you can log in immediately without resetting anything. If your password isn't saved, you'll need to reset it. Click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Microsoft will guide you through a verification process. This usually involves a code sent to your recovery email or phone. Once verified, create a strong, unique password with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Make it something memorable but secure, and that's it. With these steps, you can safely recover your Hotmail password on both the web and app. Always use official Microsoft tools and password managers to keep your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone struggling to log in.